Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered why two traders can use the same exact strategy, yet one becomes successful while the other keeps losing money? The answer isn't a secret indicator or magic trading system. The biggest difference is psychology. In today's Discipline Monday, we'll discover why your mind is greatest trading advantage and how mastering yourself can completely change your trading journey. Charts are available to everyone. News is available to everyone. Indicators are available to everyone. So, where is the real edge? If everyone has access to the same information, why do only a small number of traders make consistent profits? The answer is simple. The edge is not on the screen, the edge is inside your mind. Many traders spend years searching for the perfect indicator. Some buy expensive courses, others join VIP signal groups or keep changing strategies every month. They believe success is hidden somewhere, but the truth is there is no holy grail. Success comes from following one good system with discipline, not from constantly chasing a new one. Imagine two traders using exactly the same strategy. One follows every rule, the other lets emotions take control, and after a few weeks, their results are completely different. The strategy didn't change, the trader has changed. Your psychology decides whether you follow your plan or break it. Trader A knows everything. He watches videos every day and understands every indicator. But he has no discipline. And Trader B knows only one simple strategy. He follows his rules every single time. Who wins in the long run? Usually Trader B. Because discipline beats knowledge when real money is on the line. Fear is one of the biggest enemies in trading. Some traders are afraid to enter a good trade. Others exit winning trades too early because they fear losing profits. After a few losses, many become afraid to trade at all. Fear protects us in daily life, but in trading, too much of fear stops us from following our plan. Greed is just as dangerous as fear. A trader makes one good trade and suddenly doubles the position size. Another trader refuses to book profits because he wants even more. Some traders try to recover losses immediately through revenge trading. Greed often turns small mistakes into very large losses. The market rewards patience. Think about a fisherman. He doesn't jump into the water chasing every fish. He waits for the right opportunity. Trading was the same way. The best trader doesn't trade every day. They trade only when the setup is clear. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Professional traders know one important rule: protect your capital first. If you risk only 1 or 2% on each trade, one loss will never destroy your account. A trader can recover from small losses, but recovering from a huge loss is much harder. Protect your money so you can keep playing the game longer. Every successful trader follows a simple cycle. First, prepare, next, execute your plan, then review your trade honestly. Finally, improve based on your mistakes. Repeat this process every week. Small improvements over time create big results. Professional traders wait patiently, they accept losses, they focus on following the process. Amateur traders chase every market move, they change strategies constantly, they think only about profits. Professionals trust the process, amateurs chase excitement. Imagine two traders entering exactly the same breakout trade. Trader A follows the plan. He uses proper position size, places a stop loss, and exits at the target. And Trader B becomes greedy. He increases his position, removes the stop loss, and waits for even bigger profits. The market reverses. One trader makes money, the other suffers a huge loss. The difference wasn't the setup, it was discipline. A strategy is only a tool. Just like a hammer doesn't build a house by itself, a trading strategy doesn't create profits on its own. The person using the tool makes the difference. That's why successful traders spend as much time improving their mindsets as they do studying charts. Winning trader builds good habits. They keep a trading journal, they review every trade. They sleep well, they exercise, they follow the risk rules every day. Success doesn't come from one amazing trade, it comes from hundreds of disciplined decisions. Warren Buffett once said, The market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This quote perfectly describes trading also. Patience isn't weakness, patience is a competitive advantage. The trader who waits usually wins. Here is a simple challenge. Week 1, follow your trading plan without breaking any rules. Week 2, trade only high quality setups. Week 3, risk just 1 or 2% on every trade. Week 4, combine everything you have learned. Focus on consistency. Small changes every week can completely transform your trading. Remember this, your biggest competition is not the market, it's not the news, it's not other traders. Your biggest competition is your own emotions. Master your mind and you will make better trading decisions every single day. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to support the channel. Tell me in the comments, what is your biggest discipline challenge in trading? And if you are serious about becoming a disciplined trader, register for our free 5-day trading trial and join Introspect, your AI companion for disciplined trading, to help you build better habits, control emotions, and staying consistent. I'll see you in the next discipline video. Happy trading. Take care.